Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to save your WhatsApp chats. To do this, you have just to go and choose the conversation that you want to save. For example, I will choose this conversation. And after that, click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, choose more, and after that, click on export chat and choose if you want to include media or you want to export it without media. So for me, for example, I will choose without media. And of course, if you choose with media, it will increase the size of the chat export. So I click on it. And after that, you have just here to choose where you want to save this conversation. If you want to send it to someone via WhatsApp, you can choose WhatsApp, or you can save it into your phone when you click My Files or Save to My Files, or you can, you can send it by email or do whatever you want with it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.